this hour, the effects of this morning's tractor-trailer crash and chlorine spill in Rutherford County is still lingering, not in the air, but on the roads. TDOT says things are just getting back to normal on I-24 at the site of that crash. All lanes opened about an hour ago. We've been covering this story all day long for you, and Jason Lamb is near the scene of that wreck tonight. Jason, how's traffic looking?
Well, they pushed back that opening a little bit, so it was very recently that they opened all lanes. We just checked with TDOT, and that is their latest report. Looking back here, though, it would be hard to tell that they have opened up all lanes because traffic right here is at a standstill as everything does get back to normal. You can see there is a tractor trailer in an unrelated accident right now that's pulled off to the side that might be causing a little bit of that delay. But you can see plenty of delays still on I-24 eastbound. Now, the roads remained closed to clean up the mess from the two trucks and to let the Highway Patrol investigate how exactly this all happened. All day following the sheltering and evacuations of dozens of people in Rutherford County, the estimated reopening times for portions of I-24 affected by the chlorine spill kept getting pushed back.
Highway Patrol is doing their best to work the crash and to get the interstates reopened.
But this evening, as THP continued to look into what happened to cause this crash between two tractor trailers, one carrying sugar and the other consumer chlorine tablets, the effects were still being felt on the interstate, with roads either closed or limited in lanes much of the night. Many people who live nearby are back home tonight after being told to shelter in place and then evacuate.
I woke up about 4 a.m. to a call from the Rutherford County Sheriff's Department notifying us that we're going to be evacuated probably.
Rutherford County EMA says on average there are 8,000 tractor-trailer transports across the county on a daily basis. They say while it's impossible to know exactly how much hazardous material comes across the county's roads each day, all transports carry at least some form of hazardous material. A fact that was made plainly clear this morning in a plume of ominous smoke. And as the roads are reopening up here and the lanes are reopening up, the reality is it is still just bumper to bumper with traffic at a standstill here. So if you need to be out in this area, just do not get on the interstate I-24 eastbound. Westbound lanes, though, are moving normally. Now, Rutherford County EMA said today that they sent out an alert on their county warning system within about an hour of the crash after they were able to assess things. Then they also sent out an alert on the NOAA weather radios about a half hour after that. Reporting live in Rutherford County, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
What a mess behind you. Thank you, Jason. So how dangerous is the chlorine that filled the air today? Experts tell us if you were exposed, you would have immediately and definitely smelled that chlorine. It's an irritant that inflames tissue, which means you could experience a burning sensation in your nose or have a bad cough. The CDC says it could take up to 24 hours to feel these effects. If you have those symptoms or feel winded or have a heaviness in your chest, you need to get medical help immediately.